Today, we're unlocking the power of your Wise digital card for seamless overseas adventures, ensuring your money works as hard as your wanderlust. First, downloading the Wise app is crucial. Once installed, log in or create your account. You'll then need to add money to your Wise balance. This can be done by linking your local bank account or debit card for a quick transfer. Next, navigate to the card section within the Wise app. Here, you'll see your digital card details for security. These are often hidden until you tap to reveal them. Make sure your card is activated for international use within the app settings. Now for the exciting part, using it. Your Wise digital card can be used for online purchases by entering the card number, expiry date, and CVV just like a physical card for in-person transactions. Add your Wise digital card to your mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Simply tap your phone at any contactless payment terminal globally. Wise automatically converts your money at the real exchange rate. If you have the local currency in your Wise balance, it will use that first. Otherwise, it will convert from your enabled balances at the current mid-market rate, saving you from hidden bank fees. For security, you can instantly freeze or unfreeze your card within the app if it's lost or stolen. Every transaction is always visible in your activity feed, giving you complete control and peace of mind on your travels. And there you have it. Your Wise digital card is your ultimate travel companion, ensuring efficient spending wherever you roam. Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips.